You're not broke. You're just paying $300 a month in interest, and only $50 touches the actual loan. It feels like bailing out a boat with a spoon. And here's the plot twist. You don't need to be rich to escape it. You need strategy. Because banks love long-term debt. It's how they trap you with small payments and massive interest. Want to flip the script? Start here. Step 1. Pay more than the minimum. Sounds obvious, right? But here's the trick. Label the extra as a principal-only payment. That way, it crushes the actual debt instead of just lowering next month's interest. Even an extra $50 a month can save you thousands over the life of your loan. Compound interest works against you when you're in debt, but you can weaponize it in reverse. Step 2. Attack with the snowball or avalanche method. Snowball, pay off your smallest loan first. Feel the wind. Gain momentum. Avalanche, go after the loan with the highest interest. Save more long term. Both work. Pick your weapon and commit. Step 3. Refinance like a boss. If your credit score's improved, you might snag a lower interest rate. That's like turbocharging your monthly payments without paying more. But don't extend your term. That's like sprinting in a circle. Step 4. Bi-weekly payments. Split your monthly payment in half and pay every 2 weeks. Result? 1 extra full payment each year. It's sneaky. It's brilliant. And it shortens your loan term without you feeling the pinch. Step 5. Find hidden money. Cut subscriptions you don't use. Sell stuff you forgot you own. Take that cash and throw it at your loan like it insulted your grandma. Got a tax refund, bonus, side hustle cash? Don't blow it, deploy it. One lump sum payment can slash months or years off your debt timeline. Step 6. Negotiate. Seriously. Call your lender, ask about lower rates, hardship programs, or even a new payment plan. You'd be shocked how often just asking saves people a fortune. Step 7. Automate your payments. Why? Because forgetting it'll fees. And many lenders actually give you a discount, like 0.25% off your rate for autopay. That's free money. Take it. Step 8. Rethink your budget. No, not a starvation diet. A spending plan that actually works for you. The 50-30-20 rule? Great starting point. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% debt and savings. If you want to go beast mode, flip that. Make 50% of your income attack the loan. Painful? Yes. But temporary. And wildly effective. Step 9. Celebrate small wins. Paid off a card? Destroyed one student loan? Mark it. Savor it. Progress keeps you going. Debt-free isn't a dream, it's a system. Because here's the deal. Debt isn't evil, but interest is a thief. And every extra month you carry a loan is like giving the bank a tip for nothing. Take control. Pay smarter. And start stacking those saved dollars where they belong, in your future. No magic, just momentum.